Hello, this is Lena. Dinosaurs lived millions of years ago. There were a lot of dinosaurs then. What did they eat? Did they buy bags of dinosaurs' food? Did they eat pieces of bread? No. Scientists studied dinosaurs' teeth. The scientists learned many things. For example, many dinosaurs ate plants. Some dinosaurs ate meat. Scientists studied bones too. Many dinosaurs had big, long bones. They were tall. They could reach the leaves on trees. Some dinosaurs had little short bones. They could climb trees. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.